We got a Power Star Plus two-stroker, baby, little generator. I think these things have been rebranded. I looked them up and there's just all over the place. I mean, cheap $100, $150 generator. But anyway, as I was acquiring this, first thing I did was smell the gas. I took a peek in there. I don't know if you guys can see the color of that. I don't think there's any two-stroke oil in here. So the first thing we're gonna do is check for compression. That thing looks a little too clean. Looking at about 130. It's nice and simple, easy to get to. Don't have to take anything off. Just make sure the fuel's shut off, and it looks like 4 bolts, and we'll get this guy out of here. Oh, I was wrong. Got some color to it. So it looks like some critters have made their way in. Some bugs. Alright though. Clear them out of there. Usually you can pull these back enough to angle them to get them off, but this is so tight. They did not want anyone working on these, I guess. So I just took this bracket off. Now the whole thing should pop off. There we go. Oh yeah. Ugh, freaking reeks. Does that look like something that would cut off of? Not too bad in there. All cleaned up. This has got to be one of the most simple carburetors I have worked on to date. Some fresh, actually it's blue because it's marine, but whatever. Fresh two-stroke mixed in. We're gonna see if this thing starts. I just took the bowl off. We're not getting fuel for some reason. That's really weird. So I just cleaned all the lines. Put the fuel line off the carb. I turned the fuel on. We got gas coming out. So maybe there was a blockage thing happen. Oh yeah, we got fuel coming out. Okay, I think I solved it. And nothing ever goes in plan, as planned. I stripped the screw, so we went ahead and snagged it off of this. Completely screwed up, so I ordered a new carburetor, and it came with new solenoid as well. I tightened this too tight. I tightened it way too much and completely broke this piece off. I guess Harbor Freight still makes these for like $100, but anyway, got it for free. Drained the bad gas, ruined the old carburetor. That was my fault. Ordered a new one with the coil and a new spark plug for $15 on Amazon because it's just cheap Chinese stuff. This whole thing's made in China. But I actually started that vacuum somehow. If you're thinking about getting one of these, I would, but I would be careful on what you use it for. I wouldn't plug a phone or anything with electronics that might not like clean power. So vacuum, power tools, heater, probably run fine, but another free generator on the books.